here at Mohai High School. Niko hapa na makapu hapa mimi one of them.
So, Chairman Murang'a High School Levy, mine is to thank you for your good service, for being here with us, for taking your time. Tunajua ni shule nyingi sana ziko, lakini you decided by the grace of God to come in Murang'a High School. So we give glory unto the Lord. Na mbarikiwe sana, muinuliwe na Mungu atawabariki. Sina kitu kusema sana, lakini na feel tu kuwabarikisha manze. Amen. Mungu tu awabariki tu. Sawa.
I'd say the weekend challenge was a success. It was quite wonderful. A chance kila mtu alipata ka interact na Mungu. It was quite a blessing actually for our school and the students at large. So mine for the remnant team is that God be with you. Mungu awajalie, awabariki, increase, that muendelee kufanya hii kazi kwa uaminifu, naye atakuwa hapo.
We have had an amazing time and I'm quite sure that Mohai will never be the same. So that's it from us and from here at Mohai. Remember, this is Kubenje Kidato, Mohai High School. Every student for Jesus. Remember to follow us across all social media channels.